Hey, seventh graders, it's Mr. Ed again with another episode of So You Want to Raise Your Grade in Social Studies? Well, we've got some new opportunities for you. Some of our old opportunities have gone away, but let's talk about the new opportunities for you to raise your grade. Oh, let me get out of the video. So I am in my Schoology. It's the same for every course, so it doesn't matter what course I go into. So let me go into my section 1 course. If you are looking for ways to raise your grade, obviously respond to those messages I'm sending you Schoology, get that work done. But next up, you can drop down to your pink extra credit opportunities folder. Now when you click into this as a student, you're not going to see these top 3 folders anymore. We're not going to keep these folders open much longer than probably like a week after we're done with that chapter. I'm going to leave chapter 7 open a little bit longer just because chapter 7 vocab video is in there. So on each folder you will see, look, it tells you what's in it. So if you want to get some chapter 7 extra credit, if I'm looking in Mr. Ayler, I got lots of poor grades that say chapter 7 next to them, I got to go in and get some of this work done. What work do we have in there right now? We've got some Edpuzzle videos. You can watch a short 5-minute video on women in the American Revolution. You can watch a short 5-minute video on African Americans in the American Revolution. If you are struggling with your chapter 7 vocabulary words, you can watch that video. If you get a 5 out of 5 on the questions, I will put 2.5 points on your vocab foldable. So if you got a 7 on your vocab foldable, you watch the video, that's going to bump up to a 9.5. You never turn in your vocab foldable, but you watch the video. Hey, I can at least give you a 25 on that assignment. Not great, but better than a 0. Let's take a peek. We got chapter 8. We got a bunch of Edpuzzle videos in chapter 8. All right, we've got our chapter 8 vocab, same rules that apply to the chapter 7 vocab. We got a video on the Constitutional Convention, a video on the Great Compromise, a video on the Three-Fifths Compromise, and a video about the Electoral College. Any of those videos you get a 100 on. I split the number in half, and I will put those extra bonus points into the gradebook on assignments that you are missing. Okay? If you have any questions, as always, hit me up on Schoology. Send me a message. Mr. Ayler, I'm not sure how to get to this. I'm interested in extra credit. How do I do it? Okay? If you want your grade to go up, you can't sit and do nothing. You have to get some work done. And you will see the harder you work in this class, the higher that grade is going to go up. Remember, there is no such thing as a forever 0 in the grade book. You get an assignment done, I put the grade in, no questions asked, no late points, no nothing. All right? As always, 7th graders, if you have a question, hit me up on Schoology. Until next time, Ayler out.